Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm out on the Tennessee River fishing a ledge, and I want to just show you guys what fish look like, bass look like on the Panoptix LiveScope. I've got the LVS34 transducer, and you know, the LVS34 really gives you good, excellent target separation. Okay, so the 32, you know, if the fish were really just tucked onto the bottom, it'd be really hard to differentiate a fish from just the bottom. But the LVS34 doesn't have that problem. It's very, very good at differentiating a fish from the bottom. And today they're not running any current. So this is kind of what I wanted to show you, was they're not running much current. The fish are kind of roaming around on this ledge. They're not on the ledge, the actual rise or you know, slope that you would expect to see them on if the current was like booking. If the current was actually moving, you would expect to see them right on that edge. But this is what it looks like on the LVS34. So all these little marks, these are all bass. Okay, those are up from the bottom, but all these little bumps, well, those are up from the bottom too. Let's see if we can actually get a better idea. Oh, okay, this is good. See all these little bumps right here? That, like that one right there, those are all bass sitting on the bottom. Okay, very, very difficult to see with a less you know, defined forward-facing sonar, but this 34, you know, LiveScope Plus transducer is really, really solid. So that's what they're going to be looking like. Now, if you know, if I turn the deal here, we're actually right on top of the ledge. We're not in a good position right now because we don't want to be right on top of where the fish should be, but we kind of drifted up current, which is, you know, shows you how little current we have. But those are all fish. They're all about, you know, 1.5 to 2.5 pounds, you know, so that's kind of what they look like. They're in about 12 foot of water. But yeah, so that's, you know, those are hundreds and hundreds of fish down there, man. But that's what they look like on the LiveScope transducer when the current is not moving. Now, as far as catching these fish, it really depends on the day. You know, my first approach is usually just to use a reaction bait, something fast moving, something I can really move quickly. But you know, a lot of times you're going to have to revert to something like a drop shot or a Nico rig or a Ned rig or something like that to catch these fish. But anyways, guys, I just wanted to show you guys what a school of fish looks like on the ledge when the current's not rolling. Sometimes it's a little bit different, but this is fairly typical if you have a mega school where there's quite a few fish in one spot. Anyways, guys, let me know what you think of this video in the comments below. Let me know if you want me to do any specific videos by asking a question in the comments. And make sure you check out the LVS34 transducer at bassboatelectronics.com. They've got a bunch of different bundles and different ways to buy it, and so check them out. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you trust the process. I'll see you out on the water.